Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to deep condition natural hair. Okay, so you'll be starting on a freshly washed hair, and I'll be using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Yes, you want to start by dividing your hair into sections. I love working with sections for my hair because my hair is super thick, and working in section is just the easiest thing for me. So I would divide it into about 6 to 8 sections. 8 sections basically, and I would start going in with my deep conditioner. So this is what it looks like. So yummy. Anyway, so I just take one section and begin to apply the deep conditioner generously. Like for my deep conditioning, I used to put enough because my hair is low porosity hair, meaning that it takes a while for moisture to get absorbed into our hair, and our hair really needs a lot of moisture to get in. So that is why, like, when it comes to my deep conditioning, I do not joke with it. Yes. And I love the Mega Growth deep conditioner because it actually moisturizes my hair very well, and then it also strengthens it, reducing breakage. So if you have damaged hair, or you are suffering from too much breakage, and your hair is dry, and you can try out the Mega Growth deep conditioner, and it is super affordable. Like that big the big size cost about 1,200 naira. That was how much I got it in my local beauty store. So, and it's easy to find. Okay, so you can use this basically. So I'm just going to apply it generously on all the sections, and as you can see, I am focusing on my ends. Like most times when you do this, you always want to focus on your ends because those ends are fragile, so you want to take good care of them. Okay, so basically while you watch, let me just give you a run through of deep conditioning. And deep conditioning is just basically putting in a conditioner and leaving it in longer for about 15 to 1 hour in your hair, so that your hair absorbs the nutrients and the moisture in the deep conditioner. So most deep conditioners are usually moisturizing or protein based, or both. You can find a combination of both, or you can just get a protein deep conditioner and a moisturizing deep conditioner. If you want me to do a video talking about the different deep conditioners, do let me know in the comment section, and I will be sure to talk about it and do a video about it, because there are different types of conditioner that work for different hair types, and not hair types, rather hair porosities. Okay, so a deep conditioner, the benefit of doing deep conditioning treatment is basically to keep your hair moisturized all week or for longer days than usual. It also helps in detangling your hair, makes it easy for your hair to detangle and not break. Also, it gives your hair so much nutrients. See, if you are suffering from hard hair, like your hair is strong and you want to soften it, incorporate deep conditioning in your routine. I always love to do my deep conditioning every week when I do my wash days. So sometimes I wash my hair twice in 2 weeks, within 2 weeks interval, so that's like twice a month, or I do every week depending. So anytime I wash, I always love to deep condition as well, because I just always love my hair to be moisturized. I cannot come and be dealing with dry hair, honestly. So it is very important that you add deep conditioning in your hair care routine. See, is a game changer. So you can do it every week or twice a month, whatever works for you. Yeah, so I guess that's all. If you want to know more about deep conditioning, there is a post on the blog at africanhairinfo.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box where you get to learn everything you need to know about deep conditioning for more. Okay. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to focus on the baby hairs. I always love to deep condition my edges, my baby hairs. You know, this is also a trick if you want to grow your edges. Deep condition them. Trust me, you will thank me later. Just start doing it and you'll see a tremendous change in your edges. So I don't joke with my edges. So I'm just applying it to the hair, just making sure my hair is fully coated with the deep conditioner. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to wrap my hair in a cling film for extra heat to open up my cuticles. This is a game changer for deep conditioning. I like using the cling film because it's really do wrap my hair like there is no single space for any form of air to pass, so it helps my hair to heat up real fast. And yes, I got this from the supermarket, so you can get a cling film. If you don't have a cling film, you can use a nylon bag, you can use your shower cap, you know, anything that works for you, so you can just use that. But I just love the cling film on a personal note. Okay, so after that I would just go in also with extra nylon bag. We got I know you will say, now wow, this kind of heat somebody wants to get into the hair. Yeah, so we that we are low porosity, we have to we have to get that heat into our hair. So I would just go in with my nylon, please, and leave it for 1 hour. Yeah, we are back, we are done. So after leaving it in for 1 hour, I wash it off, and you guys see my hair. It feels so soft, like super soft. And the funny thing is, I did not even like detangle my hair before washing off actually, and see how easy the comb is going through my hair. Like, can you see? And I'm not even like I don't even know how to explain this feeling, but can you just see? Can you see what deep conditioning does to your hair? See, incorporate it in your routine, please. All right, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you deep condition your hair. Do you even deep condition your hair at all? And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, yes. All right, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.